Good morning, students. Today we discuss about hybridization of inorganic molecules. How to find the hybridization of inorganic molecules. How to find the hybridization of inorganic molecules. So how to find the inorganic molecules here? So first, before that, we know the group number of each element. So first A group, second A group, third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group and seventh A group, eighth A group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups are there. When we are going to find the hybridization of inorganic molecules, hydrogen is placed in the 7th A group. So some properties of hydrogen are related to first A group, and also some properties of hydrogen are related to 7th A group. But in case of hybridization, hydrogen is placed in the 7th A group only. So lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth A group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, arsenic. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So here, first, we will discuss about the hybridization of any molecule. Take the hybridization. First, we will take, for example, what is the hybridization of CO2? CO2, so carbon belongs to 4th A group. So this is the group number: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, like this. We'll discuss about the hybridization of the elements. Here, I will rub this. After that, I will give the examples for these 3 groups. First, we will discuss about the hybridization of CO2. So carbon belongs to 4th group and oxygen belongs to here 6A group. Therefore, how many oxygen atoms are there here? 2 oxygen atoms are there. Therefore, 6 into 2. 4 is the group number of carbon atom, and 4 into 1. 1 is the atomicity of the carbon. Plus 6. 6 is the group number of oxygen, and 2 is the atomicity of oxygen. Here, how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 oxygen atoms are there. Therefore, 4 into 1 plus 6 into 2. This is the simple method to calculate hybridization. Therefore, here 4 into 12. 4 plus 12, 16. Divide with 8. 2 times 16 here, 2. That means sp hybridization. So in CO2, carbon undergoes sp hybridization only. If this value is based on this value only, we will decide the hybridization of inorganic molecules. So if this value is 3, then its hybridization is sp2. So I will give this diagram and also table I will give what is the number, what is its hybridization of the central atom. So here, value and the hybridization. So here value is 2, hybridization is sp. If the value is 3, then sp2. Value is 4, sp3. Value is 5, sp3d. sp3d hybridization. Value 6, sp3d2. 7, sp3d3. So this is the hybridization and the values. By knowing these values, after calculation only we get the values. By these values substitution we get the hybridization. So here after that, so 2 sp, 3 sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d6, sp3d2, 7 sp3d3. So I will take one more example. Next one, HCO3. I will take HCO3. Xenon belongs to which group? 8th group. Therefore, 8 into 1 plus 6 into 3. 8 plus 18. 26. 8 plus 6 into 3. 18 plus 8. 26. Therefore, 8 3 times. 24. Remainder is 2. Divide with 2. Then we get 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore, this value is 4. Therefore, the hybridization of HCO3 is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Xenon undergoes sp3 hybridization. After that, PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5. Phosphorus 5 into 1 plus 7 into 5. So phosphorus belongs to 5th group, chlorine belongs to 7th group. Therefore, here how many chlorine atoms are there? 5 chlorine atoms are there. Therefore, 7 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Therefore, 35, 40. Divide with 8, 5 times, 40. Therefore, sp3 dehybridization. sp3 dehybridization. So this is about hybridization of inorganic molecules. So this is about hybridization of inorganic molecules. After that, I will take one more example. SO2 and SO3 I will take. I will take one more example. SO2. Sulfur dioxide. So what is the hybridization of sulfur in sulfur dioxide? In case of sulfur dioxide, sulfur group number is 6. Therefore, 6 into 1 plus 6 into 2. 12 plus 6. So, this oxygen also belongs to same group. The group number is 6. Therefore, here how many oxygen atoms are there? 2 oxygen atoms are there. Therefore, here sulfur belongs to same group and oxygen also belongs to same group. 12 plus here 6. Total how much? 18. So divide with 8. So this value is 2. After that we get remainder 2 and divide with 2, 1. Add these 2. we get value 3. Therefore, this hybridization is sp2 hybridization. So, in sulfur dioxide, sulfur undergoes which hybridization? sp2 hybridization. This is very simple technique to calculate hybridization of inorganic molecules. Especially this method is applicable only for inorganic molecules. It is not applicable for organic molecules. So only this is applicable only for inorganic molecules only. So after that, I will take one more example, SO3. So what is the hybridization of sulfur in sulfur trioxide? So in sulfur trioxide formula, SO3, sulfur belongs to 6A group, 6 into 1 plus 6 into 3, 18 plus 6, 24, 8, 3 times, 24, 0, sp2 hybridization. Therefore, this is the simple method to calculate the hybridization of inorganic molecules. So, by knowing the group number and its atomicity, we will calculate the hybridization of inorganic molecules. So, this is the simple method. After that, I will give one more example for this. We'll take SF6 and also SF6, IF7, NH3 and H2O. H2O, we will take examples and XeF2, XeF2, XeF4, XeF6. So these are first SF6 we will check it, is it correct or not. SF6, sulfur belongs to 6 group plus 7 into 6, 42 plus 6, 42 plus 48. So divide with 8, 6 times 48, 0. sp3 D2. So the hybridization of sulfur in SF6 is sp3 D2. So this is the simple method to calculate hybridization. After that, NH3. What is the hybridization of nitrogen in NH3? So NH3 7 into 1 plus 5 into 1 plus 7 into 3, 21 plus 5, 21 plus 5, 26, 21 plus 5, 26, 8, 3 times, 24, 24, after that 2, 2, 1, this for sp3 hybridization. So this is the hybridization of nitrogen in ammonia. So water is also will calculate the hybridization of oxygen. So here 7 into 2 plus 6 into 14 plus 6, 20 divided with 8, 2 times 16, 4, 2 times 2. Therefore sp3 hybridization only. So any molecule we will calculate the hybridization of by using this method. So how to find the hybridization of organic molecules I will explain later.